I have this business here and I want to build a content calendar for it. So in this video, I want to show you the right way to actually build content calendar that you can use repeatedly for either your business or for somebody's business. So we are going to do this using AI, and you can do this using any AI of your choice like Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, any of them that you want. Personally, I'm using Claude in this case. So this is the example business that I want to use, and it's called a brand collective. So this is a boutique that has turned into an agency that educates small businesses on how to build a brand online without hiring expensive agency. So it was founded by a brand strategist, and it sells a $397 do-it-yourself brand kit and a $97 monthly membership with templates, training, and feedback. They post on Instagram and LinkedIn. So their target customer is a small business owner aged between 28 to 45 who know their brand looks inconsistent, but they do not know what to do. All right. So this is exactly what this business is trying to do. So I have a collection of prompts here that we can use inside of AI to find proper direction for this business and create content. So creating content is very important, but also the kind of content that you create is even more important than creating content. So the first thing we need to do is that we need to generate the pillars, the content pillars. So our content pillars are simply the kind of content you make. Let's say you can have three content pillars around, let's say marketing, you have pillars, online marketing, let's say paid advertising, and then maybe organic marketing. These are pillars. So you can have multiple things or multiple content style, but it's important to have a pillar. So the first step, we'll now copy this prompt and want to go to the AI of our choice. So again, I'm going to use Claude for this. So I come here and then I paste this prompt. So what I want Claude to do is to suggest 5 content pillars that will balance education, trust building, engagement, and soft selling. So we can create content around these 5 pillars and stay organized while selling our business. So this is a brand, this is what we sell again and everything. So Claude should help us create the pillars first before we talk about the contents. So these are the content pillars. Number 1 is brand foundation 101, which would fall under the education pillar. Number 2 is the agency secrets, which will fall under trust building. Number 3 is small business big brand energy, which would fall under engagement / community, because that's a community you are building. And then behind the brand kit, this is a soft selling, and then inside a collective, this is also soft selling and retention. So these are the 5 key pillars that all of our content has to revolve around. So now we come to the second prompt, which is the full 30 days calendar. So we are going to tell it to use the 5 content pillars above and build a 30 days calendar. And this is how it's going to label it. So we'll come back to Claude and we want to paste the second prompt. So already here it has given us a suggested reading, but we want to want it to work with this prompt. So we'll put this prompt here. This is how it's going to label it: the day, the date, the pillar where it falls, the content type, the hook, and the caption direction. So we click on go and give Claude some time to do the building. So as you can see, it is now building out the sheet for us starting from August 1st. So I'm actually making this video on the 31st of July. So this matches very well. So it starts from August 1st to the 30th of August. So the first one is going to fall under the pillar. You see the content type. We can do carousels. And then the hook is 5 signs your brand looks homemade. Swipe to check. So they slide through 5 red flags. There's mismatch fonts, low resolution logo, clashing colors, inconsistent tone, no visual system, and end it with a soft call to action to the brand kit. You see, this one is Sunday 2nd, agency secrets. The content type is a reel, so all your content doesn't have to be the same style. So it tells us what a 10K agency brand package actually includes. So this is about our agency secrets. So it can be a voiceover, it can be like a talking head video, it can be anything. And then Day 3, basically you see how it goes. This is a single image with a caption. All right, this is for engagement, and you can see we now have 30 days of content listed out using those 5 pillars, and it has spread them evenly so that it is cohesive for you. Now we have 30 days. Now I want to come back again. I have another prompt for you that you can use to refine it. If you are good with the 30 days, you can just go back and just use the 30 days, but we'll have another one here. So we want it to take week 2 from the calendar that he just built and write full captions for all the 5 posts in that week. All right. So come here. You can do week 1 so it doesn't confuse yourself, but I'm just going to use week 2 here. So we can say take week 2 from there and open with hook from the calendar, have a clear body that delivers on the hook, end with a call to action, blah, 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 under 150 words, no emojis, nothing. So as you can see, it starts from Monday, the 10th of August, and it writes. So a sneak peek was dropping in the membership this month, and it writes the caption. All right, this is the other one. It tries it. So you basically just have content that you can just paste on your Instagram or wherever you want already. Also, you can upload documents and give it like your tone, how you should write in the tone that you want. I created a video on how to create those kind of documents, so you need to watch them if you want to give it a document to work with. So it has done this for us. So we now have 5 contents that we can publish immediately. You can tell it to do 7, 8, 10. It's all good. So let's go to the next prompt, which is we want it to expand the real idea. So we want it to take every real idea from the 30 days and expand each one of them. So we are basically asking for the full script for the reels. All right. So we can just come here and then paste that and say go. Again, it has done this. This is the first reel, what a 10K agency brand looks like, or what it actually includes. So the hook is a test on the screen over our face. I used to charge 10,000 for this, direct eye contact, no smile, and deadpan delivery. So it gives us the structure, it gives us the closing line. So you can just read this and just say it and just make it a reel. Now, reel number 2 is a brand foundation. 3 fronts every small brand should use. All right. So we now have the real ideas. Let's go to the last but not the least here, which is we wanted to turn this into maybe post for LinkedIn. We want to repurpose it. You can say Facebook, you can say Twitter, you can say LinkedIn. We are going to do LinkedIn in this case. So you put this right here and tell it to go. So it has rewritten the same captions, but for LinkedIn. It has the same core message. It was restructured for more professional insight-led audience with short line formatting that LinkedIn really likes. And it starts with sneak peek. Every month we ask our members one question before we build anything new. What's eating you up what's eating up most of your time in business right now? So we have the LinkedIn content. So finally, we tell it to turn the 30 days post into a spreadsheet so that we can download it and we can just access it anytime we want. So you can also tell it to do the same for Facebook and then for any other platform that you want. So as you can see, it has given us a full spreadsheet with each day, each prompt, and the stories and the hooks and the pillars. So we have the 30-day calendar. We can see the pillar here, the pillar legend here. You can see the colors and all of that. So we can simply just download this and we can use it anytime that we want to create content or post content. So this is how you can use Claude or even any AI to generate a full 30 days content for your business or for a client's business. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video. I'll put a prompt in the description of the video so that you can check it out if you want.